First of all, you should not bring a lot of cash. It's risky, it's unnecessary. There are lots of ATM machines everywhere in the city. Anything too flashy with big logos. I'd like to share with you a story that one time I have a former colleague asked me to bring a Chanel bag to her. And I remember that day, Brendan brought us a grocery bag so that in case we got any Chanel bags, we can just put the Chanel bag in a grocery bag so to bring it home with us. I think that's a great idea. And if you want to buy anything expensive, and I think you can consider to take grocery bags with you too. Too many clothes. Sportswear are very affordable in Decathlon, and daily clothes are very easy to find in any shopping mall, and it's very convenient to go to by Metro or RER. Kitchen appliances that won't work with the voltages here. For example, air fryer, pressure cooker, or coffee maker. Smart gadgets, for example, like this stuff, the home monitor or smart thermometers. For this kind of stuff, I don't know why, but I know the setups are different here. Unless you want to hack in a system to change the setups, if you have the time and you really want to do that, I don't want to. But if you want to, you can try. I would suggest you not to bring this kind of stuff to Europe because these are also affordable here too. So that's I don't know, people probably not talking about this a lot, but I would suggest you not to bring this kind of stuff here. Everyday items like dishes, towels, pillows, you can get all of them from Carafe, IKEA, or even Amazon. For example, French people don't use rectangular pillows. You can also even order rectangular pillows from Amazon. Lots of food. For me, it's convenient to get Chinese food, snacks, condiments in the Chinese market here. So, and plus you want to enjoy the local food. Huge and heavy suitcases. Remember, in Paris, apartment buildings usually doesn't have elevators, or even if they do, the elevators are just so tiny. Sometimes it can only have 2 person in elevator, and you have to do belly to belly. Very big baby strollers. To be honest, our baby strollers are just too big, too bulky, and it's convenient to use that outside of Paris. But whenever we go into the city to visit our friends, for example, 2 weeks ago, we went for a dinner at our friend Shaka's place, and he has to carry the stroller up to their apartment. I have to carry Genny in the elevator. If you have a stroller much smaller, I recommend you definitely bringing the smaller ones. Hot water bottles. I know I use hot water bottles every winter, and I know Paris can be really, really cold in winter, so I brought them with me. But it turns out hot water bottles can be found in all pharmacies in Paris, so you don't have to bring them. It's heavy, it takes up so many spaces in your suitcases. It's just not smart. What?
Perfect.
Anything that are actually banned or restricted when you enter into France, I will read this list for you. For example, meat and meat products, certain controlled substances, large amounts of supplements, more than 3 months worth of a prescription medicine without a doctor's notes, liquids over 100 ml in your carry-on. And if you carry over 10k euro worth of cash, you must declare it. Join us next time for Brandon's list of what you should bring to France. And à la prochaine. Bye bye.